Hello there and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing and haul. I do these videos every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my PR packages and then we open them together so we can see some of the new makeup launches. I do swatches and I show you guys all of the new products. So if you are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Here came over from RIMMEL London, and it looks like it's this cool little tin, so I'm curious to see what is inside of here. So here's what the tin looks like, so cute, and we will see what products we have inside. Ooh, mascara, I see mascara right away. Okay, so we see, this is their Scandalous Wow Wings Mascara. This is interesting, so here is what that looks like. I love their Wonderfully Real mascara. It's my favorite mascara ever. So I feel like I probably will like this because there's been a few RIMMEL London mascaras I've tried that I really like. And then we have the Wow Wings Scandalous Eyes. I think this is the same one. Yeah, so this one is just black and then we have Extreme Black. So two different colors of that one. And then we also have inside of here, it looks like some eyeliners. So these are their Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 Shadow Liners. So here's what that looks like. So we have like this gold one here, and it looks like there are a bunch of different colors. We have some purple ones, a blue one, a green one in here, and then we also have like this fun little copper one as well. So these are exciting to try out, kind of just like some fun colorful liners and then also some new mascaras. So I'll definitely give those ones a try. Next box I'm going to open came over from PIXI. Alright, and here was the box that was inside. So it says PIXI Love on the front with this cute little heart. And inside, let's go ahead and open it up. Looks like we have a couple of new eyeshadow palettes. So we have two different eyeshadow palettes right here. These are really pretty like neutral palettes. I'm going to pull one of them out, and then we also have, it looks like some brushes, I believe, in this case here. It looks like three different eye brushes in here. So blending brush, a smaller blending brush, and then a shader brush as well. And then, like I said, we have the two different eyeshadow palettes. And I'm going to go ahead and open them up and show you guys. So this one here is the Relax Light palette. And then this next one is the Natural Beauty palette. That one's kind of like a more cool tone version. And then this one is your more warm palette. So these are fun. I definitely love that eye brush set as well. Thank you, PIXI. This is so cute of them to send this over. Okay, and the next box here is from MOTD. And I'm not exactly sure who this is. So let's unbox it and see. Okay, so it looks like this is going to be brushes. So some makeup brushes, lots of brushes this week. So here is some eye brushes from them. So we have here a bunch of different eye brushes. They have like a copper handle and a black handle, and I'll show you guys one of the brushes. So here's that brush right there. They feel really soft. I love getting eye brushes because honestly, I hate washing my brushes. So anytime I have a chance to kind of dupe up on more brushes I have, I love. So I'll definitely have to give these ones a try. They feel really nice. So this is the Seamless Sheer Blend. But they feel like they're going to be really soft in the eyes, so I'll definitely have to give these ones a try. Big thank you to them for sending over this little box of brushes. So we got another box from Beauty Bakerie, and I am excited to see what is inside. I have been trying out, I did try out the Do It for the Gram eyeshadow palettes, and I have been really liking it. The formula of the shades is really nice, so I am going to continue to try out the other products that I did get last week from them, but I'm excited to see what's inside of here now. Okay, so inside of here, I don't know if it's the same package, but we have that same flower, like the baking powder, which is so cute. This is like the cutest packaging ever. And this one isn't translucent again. So I haven't yet tried the other one, but I am going to try it out. And on the inside, okay, so we do have a different palette here. So let's see what this one is. So at first I thought this palette was like a face palette, but I do think it is maybe just like an eye palette, just has big pans. Or it is a face palette for like more deeper complexion. But I don't even know how, like this red shade, it would be like really like an interesting blush. So I'm not exactly sure. I think it's more of like an eyeshadow palette that just has like big pans, which is interesting. But the packaging on this is so cute. And then they also sent over another one of their liquid matte lipsticks. And I've been trying out the other one, the red one that they sent over, and I do really like the formula of it. So I'm excited to have another shade. This one is in the shade Scrumptious. So here's what that looks like. I'm hoping it's like a nude shade. I can't really tell from the bottle. It does kind of look like, yes, a more like mauve-ier, rosier nude. So here is a swatch of that shade right there. I am definitely going to give this one a try for sure. I really did like that red one that they sent over. So super fun to get more products from them. This packaging on this palette was so darn cute. All right, up next, this package here is from BLISS. All right, and inside, oh my God, this is cute. This is literally Mint Chip Mania, Cooling and Smoothing Ice Cream Textured Mask. How cute is this? It's just like a giant tub of ice cream. That is so fun. Okay, so let's see what this mask looks like. I love that packaging. That is so cute. So this is their Mint Chip Mania Cooling and Soothing Ice Cream Textured Mask. That is so fun. I'm super curious if this is going to be like mint green or not. So let me pull it out. Ooh, I like the packaging. It's very just like sleek. It has the green there on the top. And let's see what color it is. I'm just curious if it's going to be like a green or if it smells like mint. That would be nice too. So it definitely looks like mint chocolate chip like ice cream, but just not like the fake green kind. It looks like the more natural kind, if there is such a thing. But it smells like mint. It literally smells just like ice cream. This is so funny. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit out on my hand here just to see what the formula is like. But this, ooh, it felt cold when I put it on. This is so cool. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It definitely has like some like little beads in it. So here's what the mask looks like. I'm excited to try this out. I don't know how long this is going to need. So it says leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then it's just like a rinse mask and you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Super cool. I'm excited to try this out. That's so fun. This was such a cute package too. Okay, and the next box we got is from Wet n Wild, and I thought this was really sweet of them. So they actually sent over some shades of their stick foundation, and if you guys seen my review on their new like 2019 collection, the shade that they did send me before was a little bit too dark for me. So they sent over 4 lighter shades, which means I'll definitely get to test this one out more, which I'm excited about because I did really like the finish of that foundation. So this card just said that they seen my video and they wanted to make sure that they sent me the correct shade, which I thought was really sweet. It's just really sweet that they actually took the time to watch the video and see that the shade didn't match and then sent me a correct one. So they sent me 4 lighter shades, which I'll definitely be continuing to use because I did really like the formula of this. So I'll continue to try it out and I'll come back, of course, and let you guys know what I think. But I thought that was really nice of them to send over these new shades. From CoverGirl, this is actually how it came in the mail. So I'm curious to see what's inside of here. Okay, so inside we have like this little envelope here that says CoverGirl. And, aw, cute. Okay, so it opens up, kind of like a sparkly little thing right here. And on the inside, we have a new mascara. So this is their Exhibitionist Mascara. And I'm excited to try this out. So we have the high dose and then also just like the regular. So I don't know if one is, yeah. So we have a very black, or they're both very black. So I don't know, hold on. Let me see if this is. Okay, so one of them is going to be waterproof, so that's the difference. So one is waterproof. Okay, so it does say waterproof there on the bottom. I wasn't seeing that. I was like, wait a second. So let me pull out the wand. Ooh, actually, this looks just like the Better Than Sex wand from Too Faced. That looks very similar to their wands. I bet I'll like this. I tend to like more shorter ones, but sometimes I do prefer this kind of wand because I feel like you can get like each one of your lashes. So that's really cool. I like the fact that they gave you like a waterproof one and a regular one. So I'll definitely have to give this a try. Super cool. Thank you, CoverGirl. So up next we got a package from Buxom, and they actually sent me the entire new Wonderlust collection again. So I'll have to throw these in a giveaway for you guys. They sent me their like big airplane PR, and then this one is just like a little bag here. So they sent over inside all of the new, these are the full-on lip pumping creams, and then they have a matching blush with all of them. And these are their Wonderlust blushes. So I really did like the blushes, and I've also been using the lip creams as well. So definitely a fun package to get extra, so I can throw them in a giveaway for you guys. So I'll have to make sure to include these in an upcoming giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And then I also got this really cool package from Wet n Wild this week, and I actually took it out of the plastic. It came in like a fun plastic that was like with this bag, and it took me so long to get it out, but they sent over this giant bag of their new pump collection, which I've already gotten to play with. So this is kind of like a new active wear kind of line where they have stuff that you can wear like at the gym or just like everyday life. So they sent over this giant bag here full of the entire collection. There were so many products in here. They also have like some new hair care stuff. There's skincare stuff in here. I was actually trying out these new masks today. So we have like new glitter masks, which are really fun. So these actually were really nice. We have like a new BB cream. There are also these exfoliating. I'm excited to try these out, like these exfoliating bead things. Those seem really cool. They also sent over a water bottle. There's a towel in here. We have some new eye pencils as well. If you guys want to check out that video of me testing out all of these products, definitely make sure to check that out. I will link it down below because I kind of just went through and tested everything out, more of like a first impressions on the collection. So go ahead and check that out if you are curious on more of these products from Wet n Wild. All right, and we have one last box this week, and this came over from the Balm, and this is actually like so cute. I haven't like swatched anything in this, but I did open the box. So they sent over their new palettes, and is this not the cutest thing ever? It came in like this little thing right here, which has my name here at the bottom, and these are giant tea bags. I thought this was the cutest PR package ever. So these are their new hot tea and iced tea eyeshadow palettes. So on the inside, these are literally just like giant tea bags. How fun. So here's what the little palette is inside of. I think that is so cute. Whoever came up with that is like so smart. It goes perfectly with these palettes. So they actually sent over doubles of this. We have so many doubles this week. Doubles of this one as well. So I'll make sure to include those in a future giveaway. And so I'll show you guys the palettes. So we have these two palettes right here, and we have the hot tea one and then also the iced tea one. So this one here is the iced tea, which looks like this, really pretty. I'm going for that blue. Also these like pinks right here look really pretty. It does have a mirror on it as well. So I haven't swatched any of these yet, so I'm excited to swatch them. On this palette, we do have like a lid primer. So you have like a black lid primer, which I think is different. I do want to definitely give these ones a try in the future, but I want to test out a couple of the shades, just kind of swatch them. I knew I was going to love that blue. Look at the swatches. Fun. I'm so excited to test out this one. You also have some nice mattes in there as well. And then we also have this one, which is so cute. So this is the hot tea. I want to wipe off my hand first because I don't want to get blue all over the palette. But this is the hot tea palette, which, hello. Oh, I love their packaging. It's so fun. And look at the inside of this one. Just like a bunch of little teacups. I think that is so cute. You also have a mirror on here. And then you have the same eyeshadow bases in here. So you have the black one and the tan one as well. So this one's kind of more of like a warm everyday type palette. And the other one's definitely like more fun with those pops of blues and stuff. So I'm going to swatch a few of these shades. I love the Balm's eyeshadows. I feel like they're just like really foiled, really pretty. Ooh, this is kind of a fun like duochrome shade. So here are some swatches from that palette right there. That bottom one's kind of fun. It's just like a duochrome like shifty shade. Also, this one would be so pretty on the inner corner. I am planning on playing with these. I'm filming this PR unboxing a little bit earlier than I normally would. So probably by the time you're seeing this video, I would have already put up a video using these. So I want to do like one side using the hot tea and the other side using the iced tea. So if I have already filmed that, which I probably will by the time I get this video up, I will link it down below as well if you guys want to check that video out. It should be fun testing these out kind of on both sides, seeing what I think of them. So after that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. We had some amazing packages this week. Of course, let me know down below in the comment section what products you guys want to see me test out. Do you want to see like a first impressions with some of these items? Do you want to see a review? Let me know down in the comment section. I love to know what you guys are interested in. So make sure you drop a comment down there. Also give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well before you go. A big thank you to all of the brands who sent over packages this week, and a thank you to you guys for making these videos possible for me. I will see you in my next one. Bye, friends.